If you are over 60, you should not eat these four fast foods. The last one is eaten by 99% of people. 4. Fried chicken sandwiches. Looking ahead, one of the most important fast food habits to break after 60 will be ordering fried chicken sandwiches from quick-service chains. While they're marketed as a leaner choice than beef burgers, the way they're prepared turns them into an inflammatory, artery-clogging meal. The chicken is often fried in industrial seed oils like soybean or corn oil. When these oils are heated to the extreme temperatures used in deep fryers, they oxidize and produce compounds that inflame blood vessels, raise bad cholesterol, and accelerate arterial stiffening. The breading is made from refined white flour, which is quickly broken down into sugar in the bloodstream. For seniors, this rapid rise in blood sugar can be more damaging than in younger adults because insulin sensitivity naturally declines with age. Spikes like this are followed by sharp crashes that drain energy and increase cravings, making weight management harder year after year. The sodium content is another hidden risk. A single fried chicken sandwich from many popular chains contains over 1,000 milligrams of sodium, nearly half of your daily limit in just one meal. Over time, excess sodium raises blood pressure, strains the kidneys, and leads to fluid retention in the ankles and legs, which is especially concerning for those already managing cardiovascular conditions. If you want to safeguard your future mobility and heart health, start swapping fried chicken sandwiches for grilled or baked chicken prepared at home with olive oil, lemon, and fresh herbs. This simple shift cuts the inflammatory oils, reduces the sodium load, and still delivers satisfying flavor and protein. 3. Large sugary milkshakes. In the coming years, oversized milkshakes will continue to be a silent health saboteur for people over 60. While they look like an innocent treat, a single large fast food milkshake can contain 60 grams or more of sugar. That's 15 teaspoons in one cup. Consuming that much sugar at once sends blood glucose soaring, forcing your pancreas to release a large dose of insulin. Because your cells are often less responsive to insulin as you age, the sugar lingers in your bloodstream longer, fueling inflammation and damaging the delicate blood vessels in your eyes, brain, and kidneys. These shakes also combine sugar with saturated fat from ice cream and syrups, creating a heavy, calorie-dense load that your body struggles to process. Many large milkshakes deliver 700 to 900 calories, the equivalent of a full meal, without offering any of the vitamins, minerals, or fiber your body needs. This type of calorie surplus contributes to belly fat accumulation, which is the most harmful fat for cardiovascular and metabolic health. If you crave a sweet, creamy drink, you can prepare a far healthier version at home by blending frozen banana slices with unsweetened almond milk, a small scoop of plain Greek yogurt, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This alternative provides natural sweetness, fiber to slow blood sugar release, and protein to help your muscles repair overnight, all without triggering the sugar crash that saps your energy the next day. 2. Double or triple cheeseburgers. Looking to the future, double and triple cheeseburgers will remain one of the most damaging fast food choices for older adults. These oversized burgers load your body with excessive saturated fat, sodium, and refined carbohydrates in one sitting. A triple cheeseburger can easily exceed 1,200 calories, 25 grams of saturated fat, and 1,500 milligrams of sodium. For someone over 60, that's a cardiovascular stress test disguised as lunch. The saturated fat content contributes to the buildup of plaque inside your arteries, narrowing them and making it harder for blood to flow to your heart and brain. Over the years, this raises your risk of heart attack and stroke. The sodium overload contributes to high blood pressure and fluid retention, adding extra strain to your heart and joints. and the refined white bun spikes blood sugar, promoting insulin resistance and inflammation. Even occasional indulgence adds up. If you crave a burger, the safer future choice is a single patty made from lean grass-fed beef or turkey, served on a whole grain bun with plenty of fresh vegetables. This way, you get the satisfaction without sabotaging your cardiovascular system. 1. French fries from fast food. Chains, French fries are one of the most deceptively harmful fast foods for seniors. They seem simple, just potatoes, oil, and salt. But the preparation method makes them a concentrated source of unhealthy fats, sodium, and rapidly absorbed starch. Fast food fries are fried in the same industrial oils as fried chicken, meaning they carry the same inflammatory, artery-damaging compounds created by high-heat frying. Their thin cut and high-temperature cooking cause them to soak up large amounts of oil, while the starch quickly converts to sugar in your body, creating a blood sugar spike almost as fast as eating candy. For older adults, these repeated spikes followed by insulin surges contribute to fatigue, mood swings, and progressive insulin resistance. Many chains also coat their fries with added starches or sugars to make them crispier, increasing the glycemic load even further. The high sodium content, often over 300 milligrams in a small order, can contribute to swelling, high blood pressure, and fluid buildup in the legs. To protect your future health, replace fries with baked sweet potato wedges at home, tossed in olive oil and herbs. You'll get slow-digesting carbs, fiber, and antioxidants without the inflammatory oils or blood sugar crash. Over time, this small change will keep your energy steadier and your cardiovascular system healthier. 4 fast foods, or quick prep foods, you should eat every day. 4. Fresh vegetable soup. Made fresh, not canned. Looking ahead, one of the smartest daily habits for people over 60 will be starting a meal with a bowl of fresh vegetable soup. This isn't the heavy, cream-based kind you might find at some chain restaurants, and it's not the sodium-packed canned variety. We're talking about a simple, broth-based soup made with fresh vegetables like carrots, spinach, celery, zucchini, onions, and tomatoes, prepared at home or purchased from a place that makes it fresh daily. The benefits are many. First, soups are naturally hydrating, which helps maintain joint lubrication, skin elasticity, and proper digestion. This is especially important as thirst sensitivity tends to decline with age, meaning you may not always feel thirsty, even when your body needs fluids. Second, vegetable soups are loaded with antioxidants. Vitamin A from carrots for eye health, vitamin C from tomatoes, and peppers for immune support, and potassium from leafy greens for blood pressure regulation. Vegetable soup also supports weight management because it fills you up with high-fiber, low-calorie ingredients, helping prevent overeating later in the meal. A daily serving can help maintain a healthy waistline, which is directly linked to lower risks of heart disease, diabetes, and joint strain. The key for the future is to keep it fresh and light. Avoid heavy cream bases, limit added salt, and use olive oil and fresh herbs for flavor. If you eat out, choose restaurants or cafes that prepare soup from scratch, and ask if they can serve it unsalted so you can season it yourself. Over the years, this habit will keep your nutrient intake high, your digestion smooth, and your heart in better shape. 3. Grilled salmon or sardines. In the years to come, few foods will give you as much health return for your time and money as grilled fatty fish, like salmon or sardines. Both are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which protect your heart, brain, and joints from inflammation. DHA also supports eye health by maintaining the structure of the retina, and omega-3s have been linked to improved memory and reduced cognitive decline. For seniors, these fish offer an extra advantage. They support muscle strength and balance. Studies have found that older adults who consume fatty fish regularly have better muscle function and a lower risk of falls, thanks to the role omega-3s play in improving communication between nerves and muscles. Sardines bring the added benefit of being eaten with their bones, which provide calcium and vitamin D for bone density, crucial for preventing fractures later in life. Salmon, particularly wild-caught varieties, offers high-quality protein alongside selenium, which supports thyroid function and immune health. For a fast, daily-friendly option, keep canned sardines in olive oil in your pantry. They can be mashed onto whole-grain toast, tossed into salads, or mixed with avocado for a creamy spread. For salmon, grill or bake a fillet once or twice a week, and store portions in the fridge for quick reheating. Over time, this habit will keep your heart strong, your mind sharp, and your mobility intact. 2. Plain Greek yogurt with berries. Looking forward, plain Greek yogurt with fresh berries will remain one of the most complete quick meals or snacks you can enjoy daily. The Greek yogurt provides high-quality protein for muscle repair and maintenance, a vital need after 60, when muscle mass naturally declines. It also contains probiotics, which support gut health, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. Berries add a burst of antioxidants, fiber, and natural sweetness without the blood sugar spikes you'd get from refined desserts. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are all rich in anthocyanins, plant compounds shown to protect brain cells, improve blood vessel function, and reduce inflammation. Over time, daily berry intake has been linked to slower cognitive aging and better memory performance. To make it a habit, choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Flavored versions often contain hidden sugars. Add a handful of fresh or frozen berries, and if you like a bit of crunch, sprinkle on chia seeds or crushed walnuts for healthy fats and extra fiber. This small, fast-prep bowl can serve as breakfast, an afternoon snack, or even a light evening meal. Maintaining this routine daily will help preserve muscle strength, protect your brain, and keep your digestion healthy. 1. Mixed nuts, unsalted. As the years go by, mixed nuts will remain one of the most portable, nutrient-dense snacks for seniors. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews provide a combination of healthy fats, plant protein, fiber, and minerals like magnesium and potassium, all of which support heart rhythm, muscle function, and nerve signaling. Nuts are also rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which protects cells from oxidative stress, and polyphenols, which reduce inflammation. Walnuts, in particular, are a great source of ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fat that supports both heart and brain health. Regular nut consumption has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, improved cholesterol levels, and better weight management. For the future, the key is moderation and avoiding added salt or sugar. A small handful, about an ounce, is enough to deliver the benefits without excess calories. Keep a jar of mixed nuts in your kitchen or carry a small container when you're out, so you always have a healthy option on hand instead of reaching for processed snacks. By making this a daily habit, you'll be supporting your cardiovascular system, keeping your energy steady, and feeding your brain the nutrients it needs for the long run. And remember, small choices today can make a big difference for your health tomorrow. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying strong, sharp, and full of energy at any age. Let's keep going together.